After actor Saif Ali Khan was stabbed in his own house in Mumbai, the police have today arrested the prime accused in the case. The accused has been identified as 30-year-old Mohammad Shariful Islam Shehzad, who was caught from Maharashtra's Thane early this morning. Senior police officials told the media that the initial investigation has revealed that this man went to Saif Ali Khan's house with an intent of theft, and it seemed that the accused is a Bangladeshi national. Further details have not been revealed yet, and any documents that the police officials have recovered so far show that he is a Bangladeshi resident who has faked some documents in the country. The police have also confirmed that Shariful worked as a house help and had been unemployed for several months.
एक आरोपी को उसमें अरेस्ट किया गया है। उस आरोपी का नाम मोहम्मद शरीफुल इस्लाम शहजाद है। अभी तक की इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये समझ में आया है कि ये आरोपी चोरी के इरादे से उस घर में उसने एंटर किया था। So there is a primary evidence to anticipate that this accused is a Bangladeshi. He doesn't have a Indian वैलिड डॉक्यूमेंट। इसमें प्राइमा फेसी ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो एक्यूज है ये बांग्लादेशी है और इंडिया में एंटर करने के इलीगली एंटर करने के बाद इस एक्यूज ने इसका नाम चेंज किया है।
Now, the police sources have also told Times Now that they suspect that the accused, Shariful, was unemployed for several months and that he had planned a high-paying heist for quick gain. The police also suspect that Shariful had visited Saif Ali Khan's house in the past as well, and sources have confirmed to Times Now that the police tracked the accused based on his mobile phone. The accused was nabbed by a joint operation between the Mumbai police as well as the Thane police from a deserted area is where he was picked up. In fact, Times Now team is tracking how the successful operation was carried out. Take a look at this report.
Mumbai police, Thane police has finally arrested the person, the prime accused in Saif Ali Khan's attack case. I am currently present at the exact location from where the Mohammed was arrested from. I'm currently in Thane, and this is a place located at Kasar Vadavli near Ghodbandar Road at Thane. Now I am taking you to the exact spot from where he was arrested. This entire area is a farm owned by local farmers here. A village here is known as Wagbil area. This Wagbil area is where more number of people are laborers. Now this entire area is currently under development. Lots of real estate projects are currently coming up here, and also there's a new construction of metro is going on, of which the laborers currently live here at the labor camp. Now this labor camp was the exact location from where this person was arrested from. This is at mere distance of a few minutes, almost 3 to 5 minutes walk distance from the labor camp to this place. This is the entire area that we are seeing was the exact spot from where he was arrested. Now it is very difficult to come here and see. There's nothing to step on. We can see this is a kind of plant that has lots of various texture that even a normal person cannot get in without getting hurt. But still, this Mohammed managed to enter here.
My colleague Nilesh Shukla is joining us live on the broadcast with the details that the police officials have revealed so far. Nilesh, there are questions that still remain. If this is a man who arrived to Mumbai just about 4 to 5 months back, like the police officials suspect, how did he gain access to one of the most high-profile buildings in Mumbai? Has he conducted a recce before? And even if he has, how did he get access to the house?
Well, yes, those are some primary yet very important questions which are at moment unanswered. Police officials are constantly interrogating this individual who was arrested at around 3 a.m. early morning today from Thane, that is almost 30 to 35 kilometers away from city of Mumbai. What we have been learning is that this individual is being suspected to be not an Indian national, that is a foreign national. Police is suspecting through the various elements that have been found with him from his bag is representing him from belonging to a Bangladeshi national, and hence the radar of police officials are currently working in multiple layers, multiple angles, one of which is trying to find out the primary question which arises: how this individual is able to break into a very, very safe house, because earlier police officials were suspecting that this individual could have been one of the house helpers, one of individual who had access previously to Saif Ali residence, but at moment zonal DCP, while addressing media, informed media personnel that this individual for the first time had visited Saif Ali Khan's house, which raises a lot many questions. There had been sources revealing that how the individual was able to access, the primary reason being that the security guard was asleep, he wasn't awake. But then the second question arises: if not the guard, why were the CCTV cameras which were placed at the residence did not capture his entry as well as exit? Why is it only one floor, that is the 6th floor, had his footage captured? So a lot of many unanswered questions are currently being questioned by the arrested individual. What we are learning is shortly from the Khar police station, he will be taken out for medical and will soon be presented to the Sunday holiday court, from whereupon custody will be demanded by the Mumbai police official to further factually establish of what exactly happened on that particular unfortunate night, and how he was able to carry a sharp weapon, was able to break into a house, attack Saif Ali Khan, and most importantly was able to leave, and all keeping away 15 teams of Mumbai Police and Crime Branch out in the dark.
Absolutely,
and on third day,
the arrest has only made things all the more interesting, because the question